Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on Python for loops. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use a for loop to iterate over a dictionary in Python. Looping through a dictionary in Python. What is a dictionary? A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pairs, where each key is mapped to a value. Dictionaries are unordered and changeable, and they are used to store data in a key-value format. Using the for loop with a dictionary. We can use a for loop to iterate over a dictionary and access each key-value pair one by one. Let's take a look at an example. In the first line, we create a dictionary, myDict, with 3 key-value pairs. In the for loop, we iterate over the keys in the dictionary using for key in myDict. In each iteration, the loop variable key takes on the value of each key in the dictionary. The print function is used to print each key-value pair by accessing the values in the dictionary using square bracket notation, myDict. The output of the code will be name, Ramman, age 25, country, India. Another way to iterate over a dictionary is to use the items method, which returns a view of the dictionary's key-value pairs as a sequence of key-value tuples. Here's an example. Explanation. In the first line, we create a dictionary, myDict, with 3 key-value pairs, where each key maps to a specific value. The for loop starts by calling the items method on the dictionary, myDict, which returns a view of the dictionary's key-value pairs as a sequence of tuples. The for loop iterates over the key-value pairs in the view returned by the items method. In each iteration, the loop variable's key and value are assigned the values of the current key-value pair. The print function is used to print each key-value pair, using string concatenation to format the output. This will produce the same output as the previous example. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to use a for loop to iterate over a dictionary in Python. We saw 2 different methods for looping through a dictionary, one that iterates over the keys and one that iterates over the key-value pairs as tuples. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.